front teeth may develop a small chip, a deeper fracture, or a crack extending through different layers of the tooth. An examination and dental imaging may help determine the fracture depth, pulp condition, root health, and the most suitable repair option. In this example, the pulp remains protected, allowing a conservative tooth-covered composite restoration to be demonstrated. The tooth is isolated and cleaned, while loose or unsupported enamel may be gently smoothed before bonding begins. The exposed enamel and dentin are carefully conditioned, creating a microscopic surface that helps the bonding materials attach. A thin bonding layer is placed over the prepared surface and hardened to connect the tooth with the restorative material. A dentin-covered composite layer rebuilds the missing inner structure and provides support beneath the final enamel layer. A translucent enamel layer is sculpted over the repair to reproduce the tooth, natural contour, shade, and edge. The restoration is shaped and polished, and the bite is checked to reduce unwanted pressure on the repaired edge. Deeper fractures may require a crown or root canal, while some extensive cracks may not be repairable. This animation is general education only,